it in, bring it in. I am bringing again as usual, time and time again, unmissingly, the due diligence that you need. And of course, everybody should be feeling well because what? Our money's up. What did Big B say before? Guys, it's the $3 floor, and I hope that y'all bought a little bit of that dip. But if you didn't, it's all right. We still got something for you. Come on, bring it together. Y'all got about 15 minutes for me to update you on your money.
Yes!
All right, good deal, guys. You're not going to want to miss a second of this one. It's packed out, and y'all know I don't miss. Title of the last video, something huge is coming in August. Okay, well, let's dive a little bit further in August, shall we? All right. So we're sitting up here, Bitcoin sitting at 116,000. Hefty, obviously, was at 119. Obviously, none of this, all this is irrelevant to me. I'm understanding one. Markets are up. We all saw Bitcoin at 60,000, 75,000. So very far from any danger, right? XRP sitting heftily at 305, but at $3 range again, easily able to swing above it because that's no longer resistance. That's becoming our floor now. See, that resistance somewhere up top, but y'all will see, sit around and play for the next couple of days and we'll just see what's going on. I just know coming tomorrow at around 3 o'clock, all my earnings, all I put my back into, no diddy, last year, it's about to hit that account. I'm not playing with y'all. Do what y'all do. Not financial advice, but let's get straight down to the nitty gritty. Y'all already know. You're here with your favorite host, the chocolated Confucius.
Wow.
The undisputed champion of due diligence. Y'all already know what he is. All right, good deal. Mr. 97,000 thoughts and counting. The original V12 blue racks in the middle. Nothing but blues in the middle. It's my naysayer. I don't even know how you even open your mouth at this point. Have you even caught me wrong yet? I don't think so, but I'm still giving it to you. All right, let's get straight down to the information. Y'all already know. You're here with the host, Money Company. All righty. So, big banger information, guys. Let's just get straight down into the facts of what's going on here. So, off the tizzy, what do we have here? Digital asset investor, obviously somebody I, can give much respect to. One of the first people here. Is it today the SEC expected to deliberate on Ripple's decision to withdraw its appeal? And again, that's August 7th, guys. This is today. So now, at some point today, there is a SEC deliberation about the Ripple settlement. Now, I told y'all, they came out with that on the president's crypto list. Down at the bottom, it said Ripple's case was settled, but we hadn't got that information. And I said, did they slip up with that? All right, guys, I told you. Guys, I don't miss it. You're not going to get the information like you do from here anywhere else. We're putting it together. But let's just inch a little bit further. Maybe I can open your headpiece up a little bit here. Breaking news. SEC declares stablecoins as cash. XRP and RLUSD set to explode. Now, guys, I told y'all that RLUSD is our baby, and you might overlook it, but that is one of the major keys of what's going to send us to thousands of dollars. But I want y'all to see how they moving that in the background. I told y'all when they backed that by treasury bonds, that was like, oh, wait a minute, the government's dubbed it. They're utilizing it. So now watch how they slowly move this in. I told y'all August is going to be a big banger month, right? All right, breaking. Ripple OTC banking license application is now live. Ripple is becoming a bank. Ripple National Trust integrate. What is it? Intra-agency charter application. I don't know why they even do all that. Just call it a charter application. Jeez, I can't stand people trying to be too smart. Public volume 1. Nonetheless, Ripple is now officially live in an OTC banking license. Ripple is now a set and dub, which obviously we already had the name, the Ripple National Trust Bank. But guys, I kept telling y'all this was going to be a global bank, didn't I? I mean, hey, can somebody give me my flowers? I was calling it before they happened. When they bought Standard Charter, I knew. But now let's keep pulling it further through. So now, just line up so everybody's in the same line. We've got the SEC deliberation on the Ripple settlement case. SEC also today, yesterday, declared stable coins as cash. So now they're going into deliberation today. And then yesterday, they just made the stable coins cash, right? Again, going into the deliberation about the number one stablecoin company in America. Then that company is becoming a bank. And then what follows up here? Just in, President Trump signs executive order allowing cryptocurrencies in 401k retirement plan. Y'all really don't get it, do you? Are y'all, guys, hold on. For anybody new or any family members that are confused, please put a hand up emoji if you are confused about where we are in this right now. Just somebody tell me. So now, the company's becoming a bank. The stable coin can be used as cash. And then they just now said you use the cryptocurrencies for 401k. Banks roll 401ks. Guys, oh, Lord. They don't see it. I don't believe they see it. But if you don't see it, maybe this guy can kind of break down how massive this is. Just in, Galaxy CEO Mike Novogratz claims that tons of money will pour in the crypto market now that President Trump is supposed to sign an executive order again. That was earlier, 7:50 a.m. Now it's confirmed. That happened. That was about an hour ago this dropped, right? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. He also was the one who recently admitted he was wrong about XRP. Look at how they turned. Y'all see how they was telling y'all just 9 months ago, you were an idiot. Remember that? We were idiots. All of us were idiots. Now, I'll be a BlackRock, Galaxy CEO, Grayscale, and everybody. You see how they do y'all retail. This is why I say do not fall for Okadoke. Everybody in this, I need for y'all to take this experience and absorb this. This is how I'm able to know what's going on, because I fell for the Okadoke on the last rotation with 2020-21. Not again, though. But I'm telling y'all, watch how they do. They run the same play over and over and over again. ISO right up the middle. They don't change how they do it. Same thing. Flood the markets with fake news. Get y'all to sit out the way till they get in there. Boom. And then they say, yeah, now y'all can come in and push our money up. We done loaded the boat now. Let's get in there. Fair use, fair use.
Bull market. Enjoy it while it lasts. Never does.
What?
Bull market. Enjoy it while it lasts. Never does. We're in a bull market. Trump last night came out and talked about crypto assets being eligible for 401ks. I mean, that's a monster pool of capital. And what we're just seeing is through these treasury companies, through.
You see, guys, I want everybody here to stand up right now out of your chair, wherever you at, and beat your chest. Because what I was telling y'all was, you can't beat institutions. You just got to beat them to what they need first. Guys, if you don't get it, we are so locked in on something that these oh, Lord. V12 them. Oh, Lord. Y'all just don't get it. Let me sit down, Pop. Come on.
All kinds of different avenues. The aperture of being able to buy crypto being widened and widened and widened. More avenues bringing people into the tent. I think one of the things that I actually didn't even comprehend is these treasury companies have done so well. The public equity markets are so much bigger than what the crypto markets were. And so as we're really broadening our reach through public equities into.
Guys, do y'all remember when I told y'all crypto, that chart that I brought out, this was 5 months, 6 months ago, where crypto was growing faster than the internet and the phone combined? And this is why I'm telling y'all, these price points that I'm telling y'all are going to be way faster than you expect. The growth, how easily it is to grasp. You don't have to change anything. That's what people don't understand. The outsiders don't need to have the XRP. It's in the background running what still look like USD to you. That's why I was like, oh Lord, this is going to 10, 20,000. They can move this without anybody know what's going on. Just like Bitcoin, just floated up there. Retail gonna still be out there spending those fiscal dollars that ain't worth nothing. While in the background, the real dollar, which is now the digital dollar, is running up an immense value. They're going to be paying off debts, all this, while still being able to keep the retail in the same place because they are not on the new dollar. Great generational wealth transfer.
Our asset class.
Great generational wealth transfer.
Tons of money pour in.
Somebody, hey, everybody that's paying attention here, type in the comments, great generational wealth transfer, and tell me what side you on. I'm on the rich side.
Bull market. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Pulling through further. All this dropping. So now, stablecoin. Settlement coming through, right? But now I want y'all to peek in on the stablecoin thing, guys. They're flipping the switch. I told y'all something crazy is coming in August. I'm telling you. No such thing as August doldrums at Ripple. Very excited to share. We are acquiring Rail Financial. Ripple plus Rail together will be the go-to provider of stablecoin payments infrastructure for global finance around the world. Oh, boy, I'm about too much here. Y'all. Oh, God. Sorry. I'm getting those stock quivers again. When I start thinking about my Rihannas in different colors, I start losing myself. Listen, people, guys, now I know that not everybody's the sharpest tool in the shed. You don't have to be. But sweet God, the crypto that we hold is becoming a global bank. It's already chartered. It's got the only U.S. stablecoin, which is backed by the government, which they just said is cash, which you can now use in 401ks, right? Which is now cueing a massive bull market as per the CEO, while we then go and acquire Rail, which is now making it the go-to stablecoin provider for infrastructure globally. Guys, is everybody with me here? Are y'all catching where we at right now for August 7th? All this occurred in 2-3 days, pop out in front of you. Boom. The U.S. Crypto Strategic Reserve, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, ADA. And they putting it all in the news in front of you now. August 5th, right in front of you. Oh! Family! Everybody put a money bag in the chat if you've been loading your bag with Money Montgomery this whole time, boy. Because I know you understand that you are up. You got to get with it now. Pulling further through. Kenny Nugent, I told y'all 2 videos ago, the Asian markets were kicking up and ramping up. We talked about Japan, China, and now what we're coming through, go XRP, go South Korea. XRP is now live in BDAX. We are thrilled to offer custody support for XRP, one of the most popular digital assets in Korea. To our institutional clients, this launch strengthens our long-standing partnership with Ripple and underscores a commitment to the Korean market. We are recent integrations in Korea's top exchanges, Upbit, Coin, whatever it is, and Corbit. So basically, they have now integrated XRP into Korea's top exchanges. Clients can now deploy XRP across the largest trading venues in Korea in a regulatory compliant way, Lord. Y'all, they got compliancy now. And y'all notice how they ain't saying nothing about no Bitcoin, right? Is anybody missing that? Dubai ain't saying nothing about the Bitcoin. I mean, I'm just not getting how you could be confused at this point. Everything is going live. I told y'all when that ISO 222 hit, they were flipping the switch. That went number 3 weeks ago, people. Oh, Lord. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Breaking news. RLUSD has finally come to Doppler Finance. XRP, RLUSD, Doppler Finance. Doppler Finance, here we go. 20,000, the first XRP5 protocol. XRP5 starts here. Starting day, users can now deposit RLUSD as a US dollar peg stablecoin introduced by Ripple. Stablecoin. Government legal clarity stablecoin bill, stablecoin. Ripple's the bank, stablecoin, 401 stablecoin. Guys, are you missing it? Is somebody, are you getting what I'm telling y'all now? You locked in? Oh, Lord. Be well. It stinks in here. Oh, Lord. It's official. See, about 9-10 months ago, I was telling y'all this is coming, but it wasn't here yet. So people had the excuse, oh, well, maybe we right here in it now, people. It's too late now. Breaking. Ripple partner Ondo is now available for trading on Robinhood. So now again, I told y'all how XRP was a 15 tentacle octopus, more like 55 tentacles now. It is in the orifice of everything. XRP is going to be the means of moving and settling everything. Guys, that's why I keep telling people. And my mom didn't understand. My dad's kind of learned it, but he's still not locked in. He thinks it's a dollar thing. Oh, what's a dollar? No. It moves value at 7 seconds. I can sell you a house in 7 seconds. I can sell you gold in 7 seconds. The value of gold in 7 seconds. This is bigger. I can settle a transaction in 7 seconds. No more. You see how it's down to T-1 in the stock? You just take 3 days for you to be able to sell, then 3 more days for you to get your money. Now you can get that on the same day. Now it's about to go down to 7 seconds. Because of who? Sorry. XRP to 10,000 a coin. But I tell you like this, 2025 is your year. You're not gonna be stressing nothing by the close of this year, family. And that should put some goosebumps down your spine. I tell you that. That should put some goosies down your spine. But for those that don't get it, I just want you to take a screenshot of this right here. Buy one XRP in 2030. And Amelia said it best. I should have bought XRP at 50 cents. I should have bought XRP at $3. I should have bought XRP at $10. I should have bought XRP at $50. I should have bought XRP at 100. That's what's occurring now. Here we are at a $3 floor with some people talking about some, I saw one YouTuber, I need to come down to 165. Dude, have you been watching the stability of this coin? It don't even move like that. It literally builds hard floors, takes time to consolidate to build up the floors to where we know those are floors. But like I say, those us that don't understand, please stay on the outside. I need at least 4 people to be able to watch each quarter panel of this V12. Hey, is that a microfiber? Okay, all right. Make sure, brother, don't make me angry now. Listen, y'all, hold it down. Let me get this out to y'all. Price is about to climb. It's going to continue to climb through August, I suspect, and all this lining up and hitting like this today is just further going into my hypothesis. Guys, we up. We up. How much? What do you mean, Brandon? What are we up? Let me see here. 305. Let's see on a month how much you up. You up 33% on the month. And you only up 512% on the year. Stop playing with my assets. Y'all hold it down. You know what time it is. Oh, yes, sir.